Hello, 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 and welcome back to another episode of the Speak Easy English podcast. I'm your host, Vanessa, your friendly grammar guide for today.
And I'm Courage, just happy to be here in your ears. Literally, we are like friendly guests in your ears today. How you doing, Vanessa?
I'm doing great. Actually, I'm I'm being very excited about today's topic. See what I did there?
Oh no, I see where this is going. We're tackling the big ones today, aren't we? The three B's?
The three B's, exactly. Today, we are diving deep, and I mean deep into the world of be, then, and being.
Ooh, Vanessa, I have to be honest. Even as a fluent speaker, sometimes I hear learners struggle with this, and I almost get confused myself just trying to explain it. It's tricky stuff.
It is. It really is. It's probably one of the top three things my students ask me about. Vanessa, I have been or I am being. It's a mess sometimes. But that's why we're here. We're going to make it super simple, super cozy, and dare I say, fun?
Fun? Grammar? Okay, I trust you. But before we jump in, listeners, you know what to do.
Yes. If you're enjoying the show, please take a second right now, just a tiny second, to hit that subscribe button. Like the episode, share it with a friend who is also learning English, maybe a friend who keeps saying, I have being there.
Don't call them out like that. But yes, please share. It helps us so much to keep creating these episodes for you.
And hey, one more huge thing before we start, because this topic, be, been, and being, can get a little slippery. We made something special for you.
Oh yeah, this is a game changer. We've put together a complete free PDF guide for this episode.
Exactly. It has every single example we're going to use today, plus, wait for it, exercises. We've got practice questions from A1 level all the way to advanced C1 stuff. And there are spaces for you to write your own sentences too.
It's like a mini workbook, so you don't have to scramble to take notes while you're driving or washing dishes. Just go to the show notes or the episode description right now, click the link, and download it for free. Follow along with us.
Yes, seriously, go get it. It'll make everything click much faster. Okay, Courage, are you ready to be ready?
I am ready. Let's do this.
So, Courage, why is this so hard? I mean, be is just two letters, B-E. How can two letters cause so much headache?
I think it's because this verb is a chameleon. It changes colors constantly. It never looks the same. Sometimes it's am, sometimes it's was, sometimes it's hiding inside will be. It's like it has an identity crisis.
An identity crisis. I love that. It's true. It's the most irregular verb in the English language, and learners get frustrated because they learn one role and then, boom, it changes.
Right. Like you learn I play, I played. Easy. But I be? No. I was. Why? Who decided this?
We can blame history for that. But today, we're going to break it down into three simple buckets. Bucket 1, be, the base. Bucket 2, been, the past participle. And bucket 3, being, the continuous form. Let's start with the foundation, the mother of them all, to be. Courage, give us the absolute basics. When do we use the forms of be?
Okay, so at the most basic level, for our A1 and A2 friends, we use be to describe things, to say who someone is, where they are, or how they feel.
Exactly. But we almost never say, I be happy, right?
No, unless you're a pirate, maybe. I be happy, matey.
Please don't speak like a pirate in your IELTS exam. So in the present, be turns into am, is, are. I am happy. She is tired. They are here.
Simple enough. And in the past, it shape-shifts again.
Yup. Was and were. I was tired yesterday. They were late last week.
Okay, Vanessa, here's a tricky one, though. What about the future? Does it change there?
Ah, good question. In the future, the word be actually shows its face. We say will be. I will be there soon. She will be a doctor one day.
So will protects be so it doesn't have to change.
I love that visualization. Yes, will is the bodyguard. Be gets to stay be.
Also, we use it with modals, right? Like can be, should be.
Yes, it can be difficult. You should be careful. Any modal verb, can, could, should, would, might, is followed by the base form, be.
Ooh, is that the quiz bell?
It is. Courage, I'm going to test you. Ready?
I was born ready, or I am ready. Go ahead.
Yesterday, they blank at the park.
Yesterday, past tense, they is plural, so they were at the park.
Correct. Next one. You should blank nice to your sister.
Ooh, should is a modal, so we need the base. You should be nice to your sister.
Perfect. Listeners, how did you do? I hope you got those.
Okay, Vanessa, we've conquered be. Now let's move to the second B. Been, B-E-E-N. This is where it gets spicy.
Spicy indeed. Been is the past participle. That's a fancy grammar term, but really, Courage, what does it mean for our listeners?
Think of been as a traveler. It tells us about experiences or things that started in the past and are still happening. But here is the golden rule. Been never travels alone.
Ooh, I like that. It needs a buddy.
Yes, it usually hangs out with have, has, or had. If you see been by itself, like I been to London, that's incorrect grammar. I mean, you hear it in slang sometimes, right?
Totally. In songs or casual street slang, sure. But for correct English, no. You need the helper. So, present perfect, have/has plus been. I have been to Paris.
This means at some point in my life, I went there. The experience is with me.
Or for an action that started in the past and continues, she has been sick for 3 days. Is she still sick, Courage?
Unfortunately, yes. She started being sick 3 days ago, and she is still sick now. Has been.
And then there's the past perfect, had plus been. I had been waiting for 20 minutes when the bus finally arrived.
That's the past of the past. It's like a flashback in a movie.
Exactly. And let's not forget the passive voice. This is B2 or C1 level stuff.
The room has been cleaned. Courage? We don't know who cleaned it. Maybe a ghost? But the important thing is the result. The room is clean now.
Quiz time again. Courage. Focus.
I am focusing. Or I have been focusing.
Both work. Okay, fill in the blank. She never been to Japan.
Okay, experience. She, singular. So she has never been to Japan.
Boom! Nailed it.
Before we get to the trickiest one, being, I just want to jump in and say thank you for listening. We really appreciate you.
We do. If this episode is helping you untangle your grammar brain, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. It takes 2 seconds, but it means the world to us.
And share it with your study buddy. Don't let them suffer with grammar alone.
Okay, deep breath. We are entering the danger zone. Being. B-E-I-N-G.
Why is this one so hard, Vanessa?
Because being feels active. It's the continuous form. It implies something is happening right now or is temporary.
Right. The most common use is when we describe temporary behavior. Compare these 2 sentences. 1, he is rude. 2, he is being rude. What's the difference?
Huge difference. He is rude means that's his personality. He's just a rude guy always. He's being rude means usually he's nice, but right now, in this moment, he is acting rudely.
Ah, so being equals acting or behaving in that context.
Exactly. You are being silly. Stop being annoying. It's about behavior in the moment.
Okay, that makes sense. What about passive voice? This is where my students get confused.
Yes, present continuous passive. The house is being painted. This means right now someone is painting the house. It's not finished yet.
Contrast that with the house has been painted.
Has been means done, finished. Is being means in progress, happening now.
I love that distinction. Listeners, imagine the wet paint. If it's being painted, don't touch the walls.
Good tip. And finally, being as a noun, gerund. We use this at the start of sentences. Being a teacher is hard work.
Yeah, or thank you for being here. After prepositions, we always use the ing form. Thank you for, followed by being, not thank you for be.
Oh, that's a big mistake I hear often. I am afraid of be late. No, I am afraid of being late. Let's do a quick side-by-side comparison to lock this in.
Okay, hit me.
1. Be. I want to be healthy. General desire.
2. Been. I have been healthy for years. Past to present.
Being. I am being healthy this week. Temporary action or effort.
Oh, that is crystal clear. I love that.
And for mistakes, top mistake, mixing up been and being in pronunciation.
Yes. Bin sounds like bin, like a trash bin. Short sound. Bin. Being has 2 syllables. Being. Long E.
So not I have being there, it's I have been there. Been. Okay, rapid fire time. I say a sentence, you tell me be, been, or being. Ready?
Ready.
It might be cold later.
Be. Modal. Might.
My car is be repaired right now.
Being. Happening now.
Where have you be?
Been. Present perfect.
You're on fire today, Courage.
I'm just being awesome.
Okay, let's leave them with a memory trick. The be rule.
Be equals the boss, used with modals, will, can, should.
Been equals the backpacker, travels with a helper, have, has, had.
Being is the busy bee, happening right now, in the moment.
Wow, we covered a lot today. My brain is being tired? No, seriously, if you feel like your head is spinning a little bit, don't worry.
That is exactly why we made the guide. Remember that free PDF we mentioned at the start? It has the BBB rule written out, plus that chart comparing be, been, and being side by side. And the answer key is included, so you can do the exercises and check your work immediately. It's the best way to make sure you actually learned this stuff and didn't just listen passively.
Go download it right now before you forget. The link is in the description. It's free, it's helpful, and we made it just for you. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We hope to be is a little less scary now.
Yes, don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Just keep being you.
Oh boy. Okay, on that note, subscribe, like, share, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.